The Trump administration is restricting the number of refugees it admits annually into the country to 7,500, and they will mostly be white South Africans. Follow this channel, Channel TV, for more updates on international news. The Trump administration is restricting the number of refugees it admits annually into the country to 7,500, and they will mostly be white South Africans, a dramatic drop after the United States previously allowed in hundreds of thousands of people fleeing war and persecution from around the world. The Republican administration published the news Thursday in a notice on the Federal Register. No reason was given for the numbers, which are a dramatic decrease from last year's ceiling of 125,000 set under Democratic President Joe Biden. The Associated Press previously reported that the administration was considering admitting as few as 7,500 refugees, and mostly white South Africans. The memo said only that the admission of the 7,500 refugees during 2026 fiscal year was justified by humanitarian concerns or is otherwise in the national interest. The slashed cap represents another blow for the long-standing program that until recently has enjoyed bipartisan support. President Donald Trump suspended the program on his first day in office, and since then only a trickle of refugees have entered the country, mostly white South Africans. Some refugees have also been admitted as part of a court case seeking to allow entry to refugees who were overseas and in the process of coming to the U.S. when the program was suspended. The administration announced the program for the Afrikaners in February, saying that white South African farmers face discrimination and violence at home. The country's government strongly denies this characterization. Across the country, groups that work to help resettle newly arrived refugees into the country have had to lay off staff as the number of people arriving under the long-standing program plummeted. Trump's HHS orders state Medicaid programs to help find undocumented immigrants. The Trump administration has ordered states to investigate certain individuals enrolled in Medicaid to determine whether they are ineligible because of their immigration status, with 5 states reporting they've received more than 170,000 names collectively, an unprecedented step by the federal government that ensnares the state federal health program in the president's immigration crackdown. Advocates say the push burdens states with duplicative verification checks and could lead people to lose coverage just for missing paperwork deadlines. Only U.S. citizens and some lawfully present immigrants are eligible for Medicaid, which covers low-income and disabled people, and the closely related Children's Health Insurance Program. Those without legal status are ineligible for federally funded health coverage, including Medicaid, Medicare, and plans through the Affordable Care Act marketplaces. We are tightening oversight of enrollment to safeguard taxpayer dollars and guarantee that these vital programs serve only those who are truly eligible under the law. Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. said in a press release announcing the verification effort in August. The release said all 50 states would receive names to check within a month.